Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah, it's like I'm already
She's medium.
that somebody lost.
I'm watching
Here, but I wasn't gonna say anything.
Teresa
Just
Caputo.
putting it out there. I'm trying to be a good volunteer. But
God
of course,
bless her.
Spirit's taken over. Whose mom has passed?
Mine's still alive.
Oh, it's your mom?
There's always someone's mother who's passed.
And our family today.
Bless your mother.
So
Call your mother, tell her you love her.
I never believed in mediums. It's something I just paid. I never paid it in mind.
She's about to blow his
so
mind.
proud of you.
About to blow his
She's
mind.
crying. This is my boy. She's so proud of you.
That sounds like my mother.
So proud of you.
She's like the main reason why I work for the food bank, you know, and she was just a kind person. She would help the neighborhood out.
Did you just move?
Yes.
Listen, I've decided that I had a good time the last time I did this the other week. I liked making crafts, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I do love coming back to my fans, coming back to the people that supported me for so long. So I just want to say, I don't want you to get overexcited, but you know, I think I'm gonna set something up here. I mean, I don't think I'll do all the crafts. There's some things, you know, now that I don't have a live audience, it's a little different. But there's some things I'd like to try. Maybe some unboxings for mature women my age. Perhaps things that we could use. These are life hacks, as they say. But today I am going to do a craft because I decided that, you know, I was watching Carolyn's channel. You know, I'm part of it now, so I decided I better see what I'm getting myself into. But I actually, you know, some of them were boring. I didn't care for them. But some of them I did like. I did like the dirty pour, because I thought I could make some really nice stuff here. So that's what I'm going to try today. I have a little spin, a little Flair spin I'd like to put on it, but you know, you can do it however you want. You know, I thumbed through it. I didn't watch the whole thing. It's a little long. If you're a serious artist, I understand that you want to watch that. But, you know, I'm just kind of, I'm that kind of girl that goes through it, skips through it, and, you know, I get the gist. All right, so let's do that today. I've decided that oh, God, I just hit my lipstick with my finger. What a klutz. I mean, I got the part I'm sorry, I'm making so much noise down here. I got the part about how to mix the things, and then you just drop it on canvas, right? So what I decided, I'm gonna mix it up. Look at this. All right, it's a drain guard. Crepes. All right, it's a drain guard for your hair that I got at the dollar store. And I thought, you know, because I'm very creative, you know, when it comes to making, you know, I can't come up with the ideas all the time, but I got ideas to, like, add on. So why don't we put the paint in this thing on top of it? We're going to try it out. Just going to get it out of its package. All right. What we're going to do, I'm going to pour the paint in like this. Pour it right in there. I know it's not like how it, you know, this wasn't mentioned in the other video on how to do it. I thought I'd put my own spin on it. Pour it through this thing, you know, in through here. Let it separate itself. That'll be interesting, right? I mean, everyone else has already, you know, poured it right on the canvas. That's fine. Let's add some flair to this craft, Virginia style. I'm sorry, what? Oh. I can't wear this. I can't. I have to. They're telling me I can't wear this, my outfit. Apparently, my producers did look this craft up as well. And they are telling me that I should probably, you know, take my poncho off because I'm going to get... and my And my rings. I have to take my rings off too also. So, I'm gonna get changed. Be right back. Be nice to your sister. Hey. Be nice to your sister. Knock it off. Don't you just hate it when your dogs fight? I hate that. It's like, it's your sister. Be nice to her. Alright, so they made me put this, you know, overcoat on, but I flared it up a little. I can't be making Flair without being full of Flair. I mean, I could keep them on right now. They want me to take my rings off, like, immediately. I don't know why. Oh, I have to wear rubber gloves? Okay, alright. Let's pour some paint in a hair strainer. Doesn't everyone have an Aunt Tilly? I have an Aunt Tilly. My grandmother had an Aunt Tilly. I feel like Aunt Tillys are all over the place these days. Well, maybe Aunt Tillys are becoming, like, you know, extinct. I don't know. I would kill to see Teresa. I would love to see Teresa. I would love to meet her. I really live, like, you know, a few towns over from her, really. She's a big to-do, and honestly, I believe everything she says. I think she's the real thing. Oh my god, I forgot about the friggin' colander. I was so excited about the pour. Shoot. I was gonna say a bad word, but oh my god. Here's what we'll do. We'll do this one, and then the next one will be the colander. Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot that. Ooh. I'm liking this. I already like this. Look at the cup's empty. There ain't nothing in there. Oh, I like the darkness. Beautiful. This looks very interesting. I love this. It's hard to see on the camera, but it looks, oh my god, this television is so loud. This looks pretty friggin' great. I mean, obviously it's my first one. Let's get some light on that. See if I can get some light in there. Can you see that? Look at that. That looks pretty good, I'd say, for a first try. I went a little dark, which is definitely against, you know, what I usually do, but I thought maybe the colors would just pop right out, and that's kind of what happened. Oh, honey, I love it. I love it. The colors are so out of control. I love it. I love this. This is beautiful. I love it. I'm loving it so much. I'm kind of glad I forgot what I was doing. I really love this. This is a lot of fun. This is easy too. That was really easy. I mean, can you guys even see that? I love it. It's beautiful. I love it so much. Oh god, it looks so good. That's gonna dry real cool. I like that. Yes, I said cool. You don't have to be 15 to say cool. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so we're gonna try this again, and this time I'm gonna do what I planned to do, which is what I forgot to do the first time I did it. That's why my gloves are disgusting, because I already dried this once. Oh god, look at this. It's all over everything. Alright. So I was gonna use the colander, you guys remember? I was gonna use that, and then I completely forgot. Now where the hell did I put the canvas? Oh my god, oh my god. Alright, so this one, I got my, you know, this is Carolyn stuff, so I left some of the stuff there. Oh god, I guess it's a good thing I did wear the paint shirt, because I'm definitely getting paint everywhere. Okay, so let's try this again. I didn't pour it yet. My gloves are still pretty dirty. I only have one pair, I guess. I mean, I should have planned ahead a little better, but that's why I have staff, and if staff don't want to do what they're supposed to do, what can you do? Whatever. All right, so let's just fill this back up and try again. Oh, actually, I don't even need to do that, remember? Because the dirty pour is when you just pour it all in one cup. We're gonna put this guy here, take a little WD-40. I'm gonna spread, maybe, I don't know if they used olive oil. I've seen it before somewhere on the internet, but I don't care. I'm doing my own thing today. Oh God, my hands are so... Okay, all right, so there, I sprayed it with that. Hopefully everything will come right out. Let's pour this right in there and see what happens. You know what I'm saying? All right. Oh God, it's disgusting. All right. This will definitely be an experiment. We'll see what happens. It's gonna come out the bottom, and it's gonna be some kind of wonderful, I hope. Now this is crazy. I'm so glad I did it. I don't know how much you could really see here, but over here we got all sorts of looking like a sunburst or something. This is pretty cool. I got a lot of Flair feelings from this, and even though I forgot that I was doing it through the drainer, you know what I'm saying, the strainer, whatever you want to call it. Oh God, I'm hitting things. But this is really simple. You know, you could get these things at the dollar store, and look at the designs. Look, I could just stab my thing in there. I mean, I shouldn't, but whatever. I don't know. Who cares? All right, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to lift it up and see what happens. This will want to be interesting, I would say. Oh, because there's still some paint inside the collar. I was hoping it would come out, but, you know, like I said, it was an experiment. There's still some in there. You can see it a little bit. We'll just pour it out. Who cares? We're making it up as we go. I mean, if you wanted to make a sunburst, then I guess, you know, you might want to, you know, do it a little different. Maybe add a little water. I don't know. I'm not the expert. Look on the internet. That's what Google is for. You know what I'm saying? It didn't really mix my colors like the rainbow, like the last one. I was hoping it kind of would, you know, mix itself. But it didn't really do it as much as I thought it would. But, you know, that's the thing about you know, you just figure it out as you go, right? You know, you're making it up. Art is what, you know, you feel. Just like Flair is what you feel. If you feel Flair, you got Flair. If you don't feel Flair, then, you know, try something else. Whatever gets you where you need to go. You know what I'm saying? Let me lift this up a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing here. It kind of looks like a little boy's room, you know, superhero colors or something. I don't know. It's not the colors that I would have picked, you know, specifically, but you know, play with it. Who knows what you can make with these things? Oh, this corner looks pretty good, you know, pretty nice over here. Can you see that? This corner's pretty nice. I like that. Let's see if we can you know, stretch it out a little bit, make it cooler. Honey, I'll tell you right now, I don't love it. I do not love it. You know, maybe I could mix some white in there or something, I don't know. But I don't love the darkness. It does feel a little bit like a little boy's room. The other one I liked. You know, I felt a little darkness, but I got, you know, some rainbow color coming through. These primary colors are just bumming me out, really. You know, let's see if we can pour something else on there. Thanks for having me today. It was great as always. But guys, I was thinking, you know, before you go, I have a question for you. if I were to come back to television, which is now on the internet, how do you think I should come back? Should I be like the vag logs, like vlogs? Because I hear that, you know, what we're doing right now is really like a vlog, or that's something about like the kids are taping their real lives and they call it a vlog, like a video log. What about the Virginia logs? You know, maybe that vlog, that V in vlog stands for Virginia. Do you have some ideas? You want me to try some stuff for you? I think next time I might, you know, find some cool products. Let's check some stuff out together. You know what I'm saying? But for right now, all I'm going to say is I'd love to hear from you. I'd love for you to subscribe so we can talk again. And then hit that like button and then send me a message. Say, you know, what you want me, your vag, to review for you. All right? What do you want to see? What do you want to talk about? Do you have questions? I'll answer them. You know, this is kind of fun. I like it. I think I'll do it for a little while. Anyway, I want all you girls and guys out there to remember, always have flair. Always.